Let's take a look at how you can access the different units and lessons available to you in your school. We'll use science in our demonstration, but the way you access this content may differ depending on your subject. To access any of our curriculum content, click on Units and Lessons, and then select your curriculum from the choices, followed by the year group. On the year group's homepage, you'll find the units for this year group and also a curriculum map. The curriculum map provides an excellent overview of a year group's learning, the required resources, the National Curriculum Reference, working scientifically skills, and rocket words. This is our suggested teaching order for the units in this year, but you can teach the units in whichever order you wish. Alternatively, you can find the mixed age group planning in our curriculum documents section. When you click into a unit, you'll be taken to this unit's homepage. On this page, you can download all the lesson plans for the unit and view the lessons in the suggested sequence. There's a knowledge organizer and unit test in the unit's documents. Our knowledge organizers provide an overview of the unit and contains before and after tests and a page showing the key vocab from the unit. The unit test can be used at the end of the unit to assess your pupils' understanding. If you're looking to build a unit that fits your cohort and needs exactly, you could also check out our AI lesson build tools. With just a few prompts, you can create your very own units for any subject. There's even a free trial. Follow the link to the video or stay on this video to continue. From this unit page, clicking on a specific lesson will take you to that lesson's homepage. For every science lesson, we've also highlighted an inquiry skill and approach. Hover over this icon to view some more information. You can view the individual lessons plan and print it. The plan gives you a step-by-step guide of how to move through the presentation with your pupils and gives instructions for the mission assignment or the task for the lesson. A challenge task is available to encounter deeper thinking. The required resources are listed, and there's a summary of the handout provided for the lesson too. Our handouts are subtly differentiated. 1 star is a support handout, 2 stars are a core, 3 stars is a stretch handout, and our challenge or extension handout is listed too. To view and download the handouts, click back to the lesson and click on either the PowerPoint or PDF handout link. A core handout is provided for every lesson. Support, stretch, and challenge handouts are included where appropriate. There's also a button where you can print the rocket words for the lesson. Very handy for displays. You can also easily view the expert film and mission assignment film that will appear in the presentation. Useful if you want a sneak peek or if you need to revisit after the lesson. The exemplar work section is a place to upload your pupils' completed work and allows them to contribute to the DE community too. It can also be used as a source of guidance and inspiration for a task. You can upload your own exemplar work by selecting it on the left-hand side menu. The presentation is designed for a whole class input and will explore and explain the key concepts of the lesson. Our sequence curriculum includes starters, which recap learning from previous lessons and year groups. Then we introduce the 5 key words, or the rocket words, and their meanings. Keywords are also highlighted within the presentation too. By hovering your mouse pointer over the word, a drop-down box will appear explaining what this word means. You can move through the presentation by clicking Next or Previous, or by selecting a specific slide using the slide scroller. You can also use your keyboard or most up-to-date presentation clickers. Each presentation will also read the lesson slide to you. You can select which voice best suits the theme. This is useful if you set the work for pupils who you want to access the presentation again and may struggle reading the text. Pressing play will read the words for them. We intersperse AFL activities and quiz slides throughout the presentation, so you'll be able to assess your pupils' understanding as you go. We also use vivid and captivating images and videos to keep your pupils engaged. Rocket slides are designed for pupils to partake in open-ended discussion to promote deeper thinking, application of knowledge, and the opportunity to identify and address misconceptions. Our expert film provides pupils with the opportunity to see how a topic they're learning about in the classroom can be applied to the world of work, ensuring pupils make those important links. One of our experts may explain how they use this learning in their job, provide career aspirations, or tell some interesting facts about the topic. This film embeds careers within our curriculum, easily achieving Gatsby Benchmark 4. Careers related to the lesson can also be found back on the main lesson page. In the mission assignment film, 3 key points are firstly recapped from the lesson. Then there's a demonstration of the method for the lesson's task, designed for pupils to complete after the input of the presentation. If you wish, you can choose to complete the Rocket Words quiz, assessment quiz, or word search game as an extra challenge together as a class, or direct pupils to access them on their own pupil zones. Please see the Assigning Lessons video for more details. If your unit is sponsored, you'll be able to find out more about the industry and access some expert advice by clicking Read More. Pupils will also have access to this in their pupil zone. Don't forget to check out our AI lesson build tools to help you build units and lessons from scratch, just like this, after just a few prompts. Thanks for watching. We hope you have a better understanding of accessing units and lessons. Select the next video in this playlist here, or have a sneak peek at more of our content.